All right, so I'm going to review these chrome nail powders, and I was putting them over Gel X tips that had this like naturalish color. If you haven't done it before, you put on this snow white top coat and then you sort of rub it in with this thing that looks kind of like an eyeshadow applicator, and it like will stick on to this snow white top coat. And here you can see the comparison of when I had nothing versus white powder on. And they say you can get a better effect if you do multiple coats or repeat the last few steps. So here's an example of 1 coat versus 2 coats. So you can see what that looks like. One thing that I like about this white one, a lot of other ones have this like either like yellowish tint or they have a mermaid or iridescent effect. But if you're looking for that simple glazed donut look that doesn't add color, this is the closest that I have been able to find to do that. So if you're putting it on top of Gel X tips, or if you had paint your nails a while ago, then you're gonna need to put some sort of sticky layer. So right now I'm showing you the primer that comes with Gel X tips, but you could also use a base coat. And this is something so that you can have something for that no wipe top coat to stick onto. I am using the Beetles No Wipe top coat. So you apply it on top of that sticky layer and then you cure it. And now I'll be showing you what these powders look like on a clear base. Right now I'm showing you the white one. As you can see, it's more of a transparent metallic look compared to other powders. The kit also comes with a silver color, and like they mentioned, it might be better if you do multiple coats because you can kind of see that it's a little bit blotchy versus some of the other ones that I've seen. The kit also comes with a gold metallic powder, and similar to the silver, it also comes out a little bit blotchy, so you might have to do a couple layers, especially compared to some of the other ones that I have seen. The kit also comes with a black metallic powder. I'm sure this would be more prominent if it was over a black nail polish, but as you can see, it's a little bit lighter, and here you can see a comparison to other brands. And full transparency, so the black one, the powder was all over the place when I first opened it, so definitely recommend if you're going for that glazed donut look, but if you're trying to use it for the other colors, there might be other powders that are best for you, or you might have to do a bunch of layers. But let's be real, most importantly, you should subscribe to my channel, Dose of DIY. So I have all my DIY projects and tips and tricks, as well as how I do my nail and hairs and everything that I think that somebody might find helpful, as well as adorable videos of my cats. So don't forget to check that out.